Let's continue our exploration on Tableau Specialist certification. In this video, we will talk about resources. Some of the very important resources, and most of those are free. The first resource, which is my own website where I help community to get certified, you can visit vismydata.com and select certification help page. You will see a lot more information over here. Highly recommended to land over there and explore more. Apart from vismydata.com, we have training videos from Tableau, which is under learn part of tableau.com. You will see free learning videos from Tableau itself. Those are on Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, and Tableau Prep. So take advantage of this. This is free resource without any restriction. Apart from free videos from Tableau, you can also watch Tableau conference videos. That's where you will get basic to very advanced understanding about Tableau products and the features and functionalities and what's next. You can also go for starter kit, which is, I'll say, a gold mine with lots of information. Again, directly from tableau.com, go to learn site and select starter kits. You will see lots of information on the starter kits. There are resources, there are projects, case studies, and there are more material so that you can prepare yourself for a Tableau certification. So these are some of the free resources that we have. Apart from this video series, you can also refer this so that you can prepare yourself for Tableau Specialist certification.